Is Windows Defender blocking your apps, slowing down installations, or conflicting with another antivirus? While Windows Defender, also known as Windows Security, is a powerful built-in protection tool from Microsoft, there are situations where you might need to temporarily or permanently disable it. But before we begin, disabling your antivirus can expose your system to threats. Only do this if you know what you are doing, especially when installing trusted software or switching to another antivirus. I'll show you how to disable it in 2 simple and effective methods. Let's get into it. Let's begin with the first method. This method is perfect if you just want to turn it off for a short time. Here is what to do. Right-click on the Start menu icon. Click on Settings. Navigate to Privacy and Security. Click on Windows Security. Then select Virus and Threat Protection. This will open the Windows Security app. From here, scroll down and then click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Now toggle off Real-Time Protection to disable the Windows Security. Click on Yes to continue. Scroll down once more and then toggle off Cloud Delivery Protection. This one is optional but recommended. Confirm any prompts by clicking Yes, and this will temporarily disable Windows Defender. And then also, this is very important. Windows will automatically turn it back on after a restart or after some time. So this method is safe and reversible. Now let's move on to the second method. This method permanently disables Windows Defender. Now, if you want to completely disable it, you will need to use the Registry editor. This method is more advanced, so you have to follow carefully. Right-click the Start menu. Click on Run. Type regedit. Click on OK. Click Yes to continue. Now navigate through this path. Under HKey Local Machine, click to expand. Then expand Software. Look for Policies under Software. Then expand it as well. Next, expand Microsoft. And under Microsoft, select Windows Defender. Once you are inside Windows Defender folder, right-click on the right pane and then select New. Then click on DWare 32-bit value. Now name it exactly as I'm doing. Type Disable Anti-Spyware. No spaces. Type it exactly like that. Then hit Enter on your keyboard. Now double click the new value. And then set the value data to 1. Then click OK. Then you restart your PC. After restarting, Windows Defender will be fully disabled. And this is how to turn it back on. If you ever want to re-enable it, go back to the same registry location and then delete the key Disable Anti-Spyware. Just right-click and then click on Delete. Click Yes to continue. Then you restart your PC and Windows Defender will be active again. And if you want to permanently disable Windows Defender, make sure you install a reliable third-party antivirus. Running your PC without protection is risky, especially in 2026 where threats are more advanced than ever. That's the end of this tutorial. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with someone who might need it. Got any questions or stuck somewhere? Drop them in the comments and I'll reply you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.